Hello everyone. What you've seen is the end of the 30 bags 30-day challenge. And I want to thank everyone that was supporting me because it helped so much. I was able to put in habits that really helped me. Today, the cleaning that I did today, I got here is recycling, some bottles. Okay, let's go in the kitchen and see. Here I did papers, and those are papers I shred. This is the garbage from the kitchen. This is the garbage from the different rooms. That box, that's the box I used to keep my papers and recycling, and then I would get everything out the box and I would bag them and throw them out. So now I'm going to throw out the box because I'm pretty much organized with my papers and everything, so I really don't need that box. That's just a couple of items that I found that, I don't know, can you see it, that I want to throw out. And over there is more recycling bottles that I'm going to throw out. And it's just been such a delightful experience for them 30 days. You see this area is cleared out, and what I'm trying to think about, where do I go from here? Of course I'm going to decorate my house, but I just feel that now those bags, that's the laundry that I got to do for today. For some reason I've been holding off for a couple of days. And what I do is, as the clothes get dirty, I either wash them or I rebag them. I haven't put them in a laundry basket. I put them in the bag and then I go and wash them. Yeah. So there go Grumpy Cat. Yeah. So I'm so delighted with the progress that I have made. Now the problem is, where do I go from here, right? That's where I really need to, to really focus on. Where can I go from here? Hello everyone. Very nice to see you. I hope you can see me. Yeah. So that's where I'm trying to go from here. I'm going to start doing my dusting and wiping everything down. But I want to purge some more. When you get that purging habit of, decluttering, you just want to make sure that you did everything you possibly can do. And that's what progress feels like. And that's what I want to talk to you about today, about progress. In whatever area that you have, the best thing to do is progress. But it's hard sometimes because we don't know how. Like, what can I do to make progress in the area that you really care about? And that's what I'm trying to work on personally. And with this channel, I want to show the progress that I'm making. So there's still things I want to do for just purging. Next week, You can see me wiping down certain things, cleaning off certain things, but I still want to purge. I'm not ready to say, okay, these are the items that I love, I want to keep. No. I have my photo album over there, which is, of course, is a keeper, which I actually got to find a place for that. So I feel like I can find somewhere to purge something that is less important to me, and then I can put that in its place. So I'm thinking about maybe some of the closets, some areas there. I can throw out some more stuff, and I have to focus on that. If you remember, you see the box that's in the hallway, those are, remember what I said, those are the clothes that I want to wear once I lose a certain amount of weight. So I can throw out everything in my closet, that goes out. I replace it with the newer stuff, which is a smaller size, and I'm looking forward to that. So that's my motivation as far as my weight, and trying to get on a schedule with that, so that progress can come a little bit quicker, and I don't have to be wearing clothes that I really don't like. I really don't want to buy any new clothes, so I'm really trying to focus on, okay, moving more consistently with that, and I can change that out. And of course, once I change that out, those clothes I can donate, give away, whatever, and that box will be gone. So that's something I have to look forward to. Also, I just wanted to make a video to let you know that I've been thinking about you as the viewers, and I had my weight loss gurus, and I had my organizers, clean house people. So, and because I'm really passionate about both these areas, I really want to have a platform where even the newer ones that may just started channels or something like that can come here, and I can see what you're doing, either with your house or even with your weight. So that'll even be good. I have no problem with you sharing my videos. If you're new, subscribe, hit the bell so you can know when I have an upload. I'm trying to be more consistent, but with my consistency and my training of editing is conflicting, and I'm seeing that my videos are getting out way later than what it's supposed to be. So what I want to do now is just sit back, have my coffee earlier. You see, as the bags and certain things that I'm supposed to be throwing away, that when I was moving, trying to do certain things in the house, trying to keep it up, cleaning the bathroom, doing certain things in there. I threw away a lot of stuff in there, so I really need to show you the update on the bathroom, which I would do that very soon. But yeah, I'm trying to, I'm really looking for advice on how to bring my place to a certain level. Like I said, I think in another video that I noticed when they decorated, they did silver and little bling blings, little diamonds around the different items, and nice little plants, which actually put, I feel, brought up a level, step up a little level of their rooms that they were showing at the time. So we're going to really get to that really soon, because I'm seeing that, very soon it's going to be time for that. But for now, I'm still focused on purging. I still want to purge. I'm trying to, anything that I have out, I want it to be usable so I can get rid of it. It's not a lot of things that I will probably rebuy, so I'm going to use them and I'm going to get rid of them. that's how I'm purging. Use it, throw it out, regardless of what it is. So I'll even make sure you a video on that. Certain things that I don't really care for, but I'm using it and how I'm using it. And then you'll see just before it's the last bit and I can throw it out. But most likely, the products that I like, it won't be those products. I'm just trying to get rid of a lot of more things that's in the house that I know don't bring me joy, so to speak, or I don't really like. Like I said, it could be hair products, clothes, different items that I probably would never use. I gotta think about maybe someone else can use it. Gotta go through that. So that's some of the content you might be seeing. As I get rid of certain items, I could go through each item and show you how I'm using it and what I'm doing with it to get it out my house. Okay, so I just want to hear back from everyone how you doing, with your cleaning, because now the challenge is over with the 30 bags, 30 days. Are you starting a new challenge? Because if you are, I want to be involved. Let me know. I love challenges. Even when I wasn't making a video, I was still decluttering the house and making the bags. I just didn't show every day, but I was still making the bags. So I just want to step in to let you know I'm here, and I want to be supportive of all of those that's out there that's watching. Just make a comment. Let me know that you're watching. Say hi. You might not even really want to say anything or know what to say. Just say hi. That's all. And that way I can know you out there. And if you make videos, I can get a chance to go see your videos. And that would be great. You're noticing that lately they've been talking about YouTube, how they're not notifying people that we are uploading videos. So I don't want that to be the situation with me, because normally when I watch a video, I just try to say something so you can know I see you, that I'm here to support you, and I want to help any way I can. And we all have a goal where we're trying to progress. So because of that, we just need to keep the communication open and learn from each other. I think it's very important to learn from each other. I'm really learning a lot from one of the YouTubers that I'm watching. I'm not going to say no name at this time because I have to ask permission. I don't want to say their name unless they say it's okay, but they're really helping me a lot as far as how to come across and help those that's watching my videos. So I just came by to say hi, and I hope to be seeing you very soon. So I will be looking and watching and supporting and helping, like I said, any way I can. So everyone have a very, very happy week, and see you soon. Bye.